there, Teddy. Mommy wants to get the truck washed. Looks like we may be here a while. Hi everyone, welcome to the Lafonda Jackson Show. Today is Tuesday, February 25th. It's still the same day I got loaded with the apples. I'm still loaded with the apples. Just going to do a new video because we pulled into the Blue Beacon truck wash in Carlisle, Pennsylvania. This will be the first time I'm getting my new Lafonda, the Peterbilt, washed at the Blue Beacon. Normally the guys at the shop where I work at, they would pressure wash it off on the weekend, but I haven't really been able to get it washed because it's been snowing and just bad weather. So there's a long line of trucks here. We will probably be here, I'm going to say 2 hours. Stay tuned. And I think there's a flatbed in front of this bobtail in front of me. Teddy's saying hi, aren't you? Are you saying hi? Look how dirty my mirrors are and my windows. It was 39 degrees this morning when I got loaded in Ontario, New York. And it was raining, which I'm glad it was rain and not snow. And now I'm here in Carlisle and the temperature is 61 degrees and it's sunny. Teddy gets nervous when I get the truck washed because whenever they put the hood down or, flip the hood up, he doesn't like that. He'll get down on the floor and he'll normally wait on the floor until I get back in the truck. Lafonda is so dirty. All salted up again. I gotta get this salt washed off with soap and water. Not just the pressure washer does rinse it off, but I gotta get soapy water on the Lafonda. There's Teddy. My mirrors are so salted up and dirty. Can't hardly see out of them. I got my new tag on, my new license plate. Wait. Hi.
And then we're doing the truck in the trailer?
Yes.
Okay. Would you like to do the fast wash with brightener or no brightener?
No brightener.
No brightener?
Nope.
Do you want us to go ahead and brush the truck in the trailer?
You don't have to brush the trailer.
Wash it off?
Yeah.
And just hold each shoulder, all right?
Okay, thank you. I'll be right back. Come on. Looks pretty good, guys. See you on the next video.